If your dog gets scared of other dogs at the dog park, or even strangers just walking down the street past them, it can have a real impact on their quality of life and their ability to enjoy the outdoors, and it can even result in some scary, life-threatening situations. Positive reinforcement is a simple but incredibly powerful technique that can change their whole personality for the better and allow them to reclaim their happiness. And how to master positive reinforcement is exactly what dog trainer Robin Bennett is discussing with me today.
My biggest tip for people who are working with that kind of fear about anything is trying to make whatever the dog's afraid of into something the dog can be positive and look forward to, which is a kind of an easy way of saying, or maybe it's a difficult way of saying, I'm not sure. But anyway, we try to make positive associations with anything the dog's afraid of. So I use positive reinforcement training with all of the training that I do. So if I had a dog, let's say, that was afraid of people when I walk down the street and people walk past me, I would turn that into a situation where every time somebody's going to walk past me, my dog gets a really good positive association with that, which for me means taking something really, really valuable to the dog, like chicken or cheese or steak, something he doesn't get at home. And I would be feeding the dog that in the presence of whatever that thing is he's afraid of. And if you do that enough, what starts to happen is the dog starts to anticipate, oh, here's like the scary man coming down the street. I'm just going to look to my owner and start getting treats. And then when the scary man goes away, all the treats go away. So it becomes just a positive. You're changing really the emotional state of the dog from freaking out and being scared to saying, oh, I can just hang out here and get some food. And it takes a lot of practice, and you have to get out to actually work on all of that. But that's one of the best ways really to help dogs overcome whatever things they're nervous of.
And it really works for everybody listening to this. I'm just thinking of a dog that we have as a patient who was very good, but had a few negative experiences just because they were catching nails and ripping them out, and they were not very comfortable when they were coming to see us, and became quite anxious of coming to the clinic. But the owner put in a lot of work, having some socialization visits, getting lots of treats, the staff making a big fuss, and the dog now loves coming to see us again. So that little bit of concerted effort can make a big difference.
Exactly. When my dog now is 5, but when he was a puppy, I used to take him to the vet's office and just go in the lobby and just play games with him and throw treats for him. And consequently, he loved going to the vet. So yeah. It really does work. It's just a matter of what the dog associates.
No, all of my patients, they know that right hand scrub pocket is where my treats live, and they look there, or they're looking up at the jar because they know that's where my hand goes when my pocket's empty.
Exactly.
And if your dog is also scared of the vet clinic, then this video linked on screen now talks about some other strategies that will really make them love your vet. This is possible, so tap on that video. I'll see you there. But until the next time, I'm veterinarian Dr. Alex. This is Our Pets Health, because they're family.